pepper like that. That is majestic movement. The Egwuota is the exclusive preserve of Ndi Ichioncha and the Odi. I want to use next year. And so far, menu.
I problem.
Oh, look at that.
And it's just a shimaki. Yeah, every.
Oh,
every Ponanya. No be. Ya local law. When I we're talking local law.
Oh,
they will love you.
Dalo.
We're not here.
Oh, yeah.
Nidre ni no patagi fe.
Asima agadi nwanyada akankana.
N'ego malawa.
Chacha.
Ojizi anobi.
Ojizi anobi. Dalo.
Ojizi anobi. Ojizi anobi. Onye obodo gwa n'ike. No. Now, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, now permit me to recognize the presence of His Royal Highness Igwe Lawrence Agubuzo, OON, and also Igwe of Ezema Olo, Chairman Enugu State Council of Rulers. He's here today in our